Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Anna and Mark's English podcast.
Hello, Anna. Hello, dear listeners.
How are you today, Mark?
I'm great. It's a beautiful day, and I'm excited for our new lesson.
Wonderful. Today, we'll talk about something fun, hobbies and free time.
Oh, I like this topic.
Me too. Everyone has hobbies. Things we do when we are free, when we want to relax or enjoy.
Yes, like reading, cooking, or listening to music.
Exactly. So today, we'll learn how to talk about our hobbies in simple English, step by step. Mark, do you know what a hobby is?
Yes, a hobby is something you love to do in your free time.
Right. Listeners, repeat after us. A hobby is something I like to do in my free time.
For example, I like to draw. Drawing is my hobby.
Very nice, Mark. My hobby is gardening. I love taking care of plants and flowers.
That's beautiful. So, Anna, what do you do when you have free time?
I like to go for walks, listen to soft music, or sometimes bake cookies.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes. Now let's teach our listeners how to say their hobbies.
Great. Let's start with a few simple ones.
Repeat after me, listeners, slowly and clearly. Reading. Watching movies. Listening to music. Playing games. Cooking. Dancing. Singing. Painting. Traveling. Taking photos. Gardening. Exercising. Playing sports. Writing stories. Shopping.
Wow, so many.
Yes, and they're all common hobbies.
Listeners, which one do you like?
Let's practice. Say, I like plus hobby. For example, I like reading books.
I like listening to music.
I like cooking.
I like playing football.
Very good. Now, let's make it more interesting with some questions. Mark, how do we ask someone about their hobby?
We can say, "What's your hobby?" Or, "What do you like to do in your free time?"
That's right. Repeat after us. What's your hobby? What do you like to do in your free time? And to answer, you can say, my hobby is, or I like. Let's practice together.
Okay.
What's your hobby, Mark?
My hobby is drawing. I love to draw cartoons and nature.
That's nice, Mark.
Thank you. What about you, Anna? What's your hobby?
My hobby is gardening. I like planting flowers and watering them every morning.
Beautiful. Listeners, now you try.
Very good. Now let's learn how often we do our hobbies.
Yes, like every day, once a week, twice a month.
Right. Listen and repeat. Every day. Every weekend. Once a week. Twice a week. Sometimes. Often. Always. Never.
Let's make some examples.
Sure. I read books every day.
I play football twice a week.
I sometimes watch movies on Sunday.
I never play video games.
Very nice. Listeners, now make your own sentences. Great job. Mark, why do you like drawing?
Because it makes me feel calm and happy.
That's a good reason.
And you, Anna, why do you like gardening?
I like gardening because it's peaceful. It helps me relax.
That's wonderful. So listeners, you can say, I like because it makes me feel.
For example, I like music because it makes me happy.
I like reading because it helps me learn.
I like cooking because it's fun.
Yes, very good practice.
Let's have a small dialogue, okay?
Okay, let's do it.
What's your hobby, Mark?
My hobby is painting.
Nice. How often do you paint?
I paint every weekend
Why do you like painting?
because it makes me feel relaxed. What about you, Anna?
My hobby is reading. I read every night before bed.
That's a good habit. Reading helps you learn new words.
Yes, it does.
Listeners, now it's your turn. Practice with your friend or say it aloud.
Very good. Now, let's learn how often we do our hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play the guitar.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Yes, music makes me happy.
Do you like sports, Anna?
Yes, I do. I like swimming.
How often do you swim?
Twice a week. It's good exercise.
What hobbies do your friends have?
My friend Sam likes playing football, and my sister likes dancing.
That's great. Everyone has different hobbies.
Mark, what do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I relax, draw, and spend time with my family.
That sounds nice. I usually water my plants, cook something tasty, and watch a movie.
Perfect weekend.
Listeners, let's learn how to say what you do in your free time. Repeat after me. I relax at home. I visit my friends. I go for a walk. I watch TV. I play sports. I go shopping. I listen to music.
Great. Now let's mix them into sentences.
In my free time, I watch movies.
In my free time, I play games with my brother.
In my free time, I go to the park.
Wonderful job, everyone.
Now, listeners, let's do a small speaking challenge. I'll ask questions and you answer. Ready?
I'll help too.
Question 1. What's your hobby? Great. Question 2. How often do you do it? Question 3. Why do you like it? Excellent! You're doing great. Now say a full sentence. My hobby is, I do it, I like it because. Well done! Let's learn some helpful English expressions for today's topic. Repeat after me. I enjoy. I'm interested in. I'm good at. I spend my free time. I like to relax by.
For example, I enjoy cooking. I'm interested in photography. I'm good at painting. I spend my free time reading. I like to relax by listening to music.
Very good. These are natural English phrases. Let's review what we learned today.
Yes, let's go over everything slowly.
We learned what hobbies are.
We learned how to talk about our hobbies.
We learned words for common hobbies: reading, cooking, dancing, painting, and more.
We practiced asking and answering questions like what's your hobby and why do you like it?
We learned how to say how often we do our hobbies.
And we practiced new expressions like I enjoy and I spend my free time.
Excellent review, Mark.
So, Anna, are you going to do your hobby today?
Yes, I think I'll water my plants and bake something sweet.
That sounds wonderful. I'll probably draw something new today.
Maybe you can draw my garden.
Haha, good idea.
Listeners, thank you for joining us today. Remember, learning English is easier when you talk about things you love.
Yes, talk about your hobbies in English every day.
Repeat, practice, and speak slowly.
And most importantly, enjoy it.
Thank you for listening to the Anna and Mark podcast.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.